Hello, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about mastering email marketing with Mailchimp, one of the best tools for growing and engaging your audience. First, start by building a quality email list. Focus on getting subscribers who are genuinely interested in your content by using lead magnets, website sign-up forms, and social media promotions. A strong list is the foundation of successful email marketing. Next, craft compelling emails. Use attention-grabbing subject lines, personalize your messages, and keep your content clear and engaging. Mailchimp's built-in templates and AI-powered recommendations make it easy to design professional-looking emails. Automation is a game changer. Set up automated email sequences for welcome messages, follow-ups, and abandoned cart reminders. This keeps your audience engaged while saving you time. Don't forget segmentation. Mailchimp allows you to categorize your subscribers based on behavior, location, or interests, helping you send targeted emails that drive better results. The more relevant your content, the higher your engagement. Tracking and optimizing is key. Use Mailchimp's analytics to monitor open rates, click-through rates, and conversions. A/B testing different subject lines or email designs can help you improve performance over time. Finally, consistency is everything. Send emails regularly, but avoid overwhelming your subscribers. A well-planned content strategy keeps your audience engaged and builds long-term trust. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and share. See you in the next one.